Now let's meet Jordan. She's a program manager at a mid-sized nonprofit. She's 37, strategic, smart, and like many of us, many of you, totally stretched thin. Her day is full of meetings, reports, shifting deadlines, and surprise requests from leadership. Like, who doesn't have that? And she's heard about ChatGPT. She's opened it once or twice, done your basic prompts, but she didn't really know where to start. So this week on Jordan's to-do list, she has to summarize meeting notes, prep for a board presentation, draft an email to a donor, and organize materials for a quarterly report. So for many of you, that sounds familiar, right? Let's walk through how she uses ChatGPT to handle some of these and how you can do that too. While we go through this, I want you to think, what's your Jordan moment this week? Could you see yourself setting up a project like this for your own workflow? If you go, and again, if you have the paid version, Projects is a great way to organize yourself. So whether it be you're working on a client, there's a number of clients so that you can keep that separately. You don't have to worry because this is like all just chat history. Every time you use a new chat, there's that thread all there versus having it organized. So if I say here that this will be the inner circle office hours hub, and say this is where all things the inner circle will go ahead and create that, and you will see some things that you can do is, if you go ahead and click, you can now add a color. So let's say, the She Learns AI. Yep. So yeah, it took a second. It popped up over there on the left, but now that folder color. So just for a quick glance, again, just an organizational aspect of it, you can add custom instructions here. So specifically for this project, and I'll go into custom instructions in a moment, but those are just essentially your ability to say anything in this folder inside of this project must follow and adhere to those rules. And what's beautiful about that is that each time you create a new chat, you don't have to tell it every time you act like this, doing the role. We have the precise model. That's our prompt engineering methodology and framework that I developed. So you don't have to do that each and every time you open a chat because there's overarching rules and instructions that you'll give it. And again, we'll get to that in one moment.